Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is your August love and work forecast for Geminis. If your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Gemini, this reading is for you. If you know a Gemini, you can cross watch it for them. Friends, make sure to subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. Also, friends, this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate. Make sure to check out the August Pick a Card reading. Link is in the timestamp. And also, friends, the Hindi Urdu versions of the horoscope readings are already done for August. They are on my other channel, Magic Wens Tarot Hindi Urdu. Make sure to watch that out also. I will try to link that up also somewhere up here or in the card somewhere. And let us see, Gemini, what's happening for you in August. I'm super excited to know what's happening for you. Let's see the theme of the month of August for Geminis. All right, Temperance and the Seven of Pentacles. So balance is coming your way, Geminis. Whatever you are missing or whatever was you felt like was out of balance, your life wasn't going well, all those things are coming in balance for you. Whatever was missing, whatever you were waiting for, Geminis, that is going to happen for you in the month of August. So some of you are waiting for a promotion, some of you are waiting for a proposal, a new project, more money to come your way, more health and better finances to happen. Yes, that's going to happen, Geminis, in the month of August. Yay! Whatever your heart you are working for, waiting for, that is gonna come towards you. For Geminis, what is the theme of the month of August? And look at that. Exactly, friends. Luck is with you, Gemini, and wheels are turning in your favor. Doors are opening. Destiny is opening new doors for you. You are Destiny's favorite child this month, Gemini. So you are very, very lucky. And life, is starting to move in the right direction for you. Like you were waiting for some things to complete, some things to finish so that you can move forward in life. You can do something new, start something new. So that is going to happen. Old karmic cycles will finish and something brand new will start, and it will bring a balance in your life. It will bring a balance in your routine. Also, some of you may buy an automobile, or you may be, if you were trying to sell an automobile, you will be lucky, you will find a great price. Some of you could be buying a home, relocating, renovating a home, buying a property, or you are planning to buy those things, or waiting for extra money to come your way to buy some home or change your homes, renovate. Yes, some of you could also be playing with your looks. So yay, Geminis. Let us see your love life. Geminis, their love life in August, all right. The Four of Pentacles, the Five of Swords, the Star in reverse. Ooh. All right. The Knight of Pentacles, it want to stay there. Let's keep it there. Love life for Geminis, the Queen of Pentacles, Nine of Wands, the Page of Swords, oh my god, Nine of Pentacles and the Tower. A lot is happening in your love life, Geminis. Get ready. No wonder you have the Temperance, so keep some patience in your love life. It's going to test you, friends. Yes, because August is a big month, friends. There is a double super moon in August. Also, the moon the moon and will be squaring Saturn at the start only of August, and there is a strong, this is a strong energy month, friends. So yes, you are lucky, but let's see what is happening in your love life. I do feel there is a person, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. You will start the month waiting for them. You are waiting for this person to send you a message, communicate with you, and give you a hint what they are thinking. But I feel this person is making you wait. They are not making a move towards you, and this is what is frustrating you. You are like, why this person can't message me? Why they keep holding me? What is wrong with this person? So you are a little frustrated with your love life or your person at the start of August. I also feel that is why some of you could be focusing more on work rather than love, because your person is in no contact, or they are just plain blocking you. They don't disappear, ghosting you, something like that is happening. Even if this is a new person, you don't know what's going on with them. So you are like, where is that person? Where is he? Where is she? Another thing that will happen in your love life in August is communication blocks. Yes, your person will try to reach out and message you, but then you will find it very tough to trust this person or to believe anything they say this month, friends, because this person has been uh, this person has broken your trust many times, so you may feel like, is this happening again? Why you will have a tough time trusting this person. Also, there will be certain communication blocks, like even though your person will message you and they will try to talk to you, an argument can happen, a misunderstanding may happen. Also, you may feel like, this person affects your work or career in certain ways. This person makes your life out of balance. This relationship is not perfect. So you may feel like, this is kind of a more work, more pain, less love kind of a relationship. Yeah, and you may feel like this person is kind of a Casanova, or they are too much aggressive, they are too passionate, it's not right, it's out of balance. You feel like you want somebody who is more intuitive, who is more subtle, who is more soulful rather than passionate. So this person could be your husband, wife, this person could be your twin flame, this person could be a very important soulmate, but in this first few weeks of August, you are not seeing eye to eye, friends. There are certain challenges. You may feel they are different, just passionate. You are soulful, you need some soulful romance, while your person is more passionate. But there will be a change coming in this relationship, Gemini, for you, if you stay patient. Because patience is a virtue for you in August. So if you stay patient, friends, there will be this person will show their love for you, they will value you, they will give you something remarkable like gold, diamond, or something of value to you, like they might gift you a house, a car. They will try to show their love in some solid form of way, like gifting you something which is big, or trying to value you, trying to tell you they respect you. So that will happen, I do feel. This you will take certain time to warm up to this person, but Gemini, I feel this person really values you. And although they may not be very sweet spoken, they may not be all emotional and soulful person, but they are very honest and they do love you. And I feel what happened in the past should remain in the past and should not affect your love life in the month of August. So some of you may actually leave a past person or a current person you meet in August, because you are like, I am focusing on myself, baby. I gonna love myself and I gonna do that. so, so, so friends, you may, some of you may be, air signs. Sometimes they can get short of patience. Although patience is, if you are, balance is coming in this relationship, but it will take some time, friends. I'll be honest here. So yes, let's see some advice. I think it's necessary to know what is the advice. Ooh, Gemini's hot reading. I'm already sweating. The universe, harmony, and look at that, Three of Cups. So yeah, I do feel there is a person who is a friend zone person. They also like you, they might share their love for you. Also, I feel that you have to keep friendship important and first in your relationships this month. If you cannot love a person, if you cannot forgive them, Geminis, try to be friends with them, or try to keep see the situation as a friend would, as a best friend would. Also, love is friendship for you in this month of August. Harmony, yes, this is a soulful connection. You and your person are deeply connected. This is a past life connection also. So many things are happening for your love life, and your person does love you, even though they are little different than you, Geminis. The universe, yes, this is a very deep connection. This is a connection which goes beyond time and space, Gemini. So keep an open mind, try to be friends first rather than just lovers always. Let's see your work and career now, Geminis. All right, sacral chakra, triumph, heartache and loss, material harvest, ooh, solar plexus, wow, and solitude. Wow, Gemini. So, first things first, I feel like, some of you are really feeling a little bit left out at your work. You feel like nobody understands you. If you are a student, you feel like you have really no friends. That is why the friendship card was there. Three of Cups in love advice that yes, you have people around you, or love, or rather, friends are coming for you. People who can understand you and support you. You don't have to do everything alone. That is the energy coming for you, friends, in the work area also. I feel some of you are feeling a bit disappointed with your work, like you are waiting for a promotion, it has not yet happened. You are waiting for a leave, but it has not yet come. You are waiting for a new job or a business deal, but things are slow. So you feel a little upset when you start your August work and career, but things will pick up in this month, friends. Luck will be with you, new doors will be opening for you, and your business, your career, your studies will become very, very prosperous this month. Also very active, you will become very active in your work. New doors will open, closed paths will open. Solar plexus, yes. I do feel your work is connected with your ego. You if your work is going well, if you are doing well, you will feel very positive. If there are delays, you will feel like down in the dumps. I don't know what to do, kind of a situation. I know I'm so unhappy. There's nobody to help me. Don't do that. Try to stay positive, Geminis, because balanced is the key, not positive. Balanced is the key for you, Geminis. About your work, career, and life in general, stay positive. Remember, you are not alone. Remember, good things are coming for you. Also, focus on your creativity. Focus on your passion, Geminis. The more you allow your creativity to, lead you, the better your success will be. And look at that, you will definitely achieve whatever you want, whether it is a new job, more money, or financial prosperity, or that promotion you are waiting, that exam you want to clear. Yes, you're going to achieve that, although it may have taken you long, hard, alone time, long hours of work alone, but it will be sweet reward of love, sweet reward of success. So let us see some advice for you, Gemini. All right, forgiveness and understanding. Yeah, this month, friends, forgive people. Sometimes people are not good or bad, friends. People are just as they are. So you have to forgive them and keep your heart open, because there is a lot of love there. Expect miracles. Yes, miracles are coming your way. You look at that. Believe in it, friends. Believe in it. I do see a miracle in your work situation, money situation, and definitely love is coming. And yes, signs and reminders, you will have a lot of signs and composure. Yes, friends, a big miracle is coming for you, so don't lose hope. Stay balanced. Okay, let's take these. Younger man, so a younger person dealings or relationship with a younger man. Stock news of a birth or a new business opportunity is coming. Wed, someone is trying to come between you. Happiness. Leg, stepping into a new idea or a new situation. Turkey, someone is behaving stupidly. Yes, there are certain people. August reading, August card. So August is important for you, friends. I'm gonna keep it here. And mule, someone is extremely stubborn and unwilling to change. Ladder, climbing towards success. You are moving towards success. Lion, yes, you are very ambitious this month. Parrot, yes, be aware of gossip. You may feel lonely because of work gossip, friends, but still it will not affect your success. You will continue to shine. Moon, yes, this is an emotional month for you. A woman, some friend will be important. A mother, daughter, sister, or a friend is important. Money path is opening for you. Yes, you are feeling a bit lonely, friends, Gemini, but don't worry. Family sorrow, you may be recovering from some sort of a family sorrow this month also. January is also important, so August and January are big months for you. And victory, there is going to be a victory for you, Geminis. That's it for now. Subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot, like and share. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.